everyone, my name is Manju Chiller. I'm from Sun City School, Gurgaon. I'm working there as an ICT teacher. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jinder. I'm from Kamla Nehru Public School, Fagwara, Punjab, and I am HOD of Computer Science Department. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. This is Shweta from Global School International, New Delhi, and I'm working as a librarian. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Prerna. I'm from secondary school, and I am a science teacher. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leena Mantipate. I'm from Maharashtra, working as a teacher at primary schools. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pratibha Kohli, Principal, Maharaja Agrasen Model School, Pitapura, Delhi, and we move on to our presentation for EduDays. Greetings everyone. Participation in EduDays opens up vistas to leverage the use of Microsoft tools for enhanced learning outcomes. Farming is not merely a source of livelihood, but a way of life. It is the main source of food, fodder, and fuel that sustains mankind. It is the basic foundation of economic development of any country. You would agree that agriculture is the main occupation in India. Welcome to our project titled From Farm. It is about improving and improvising farming. By taking up this project with our students, we are focused on promoting personalized learning for enhanced student-centered learning outcomes. Personalized learning is the instruction in which the pace of learning and the instruction approach is suited to the needs of the learner. In fact, every learner is unique and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The United Nations Sustainable Goals encompassing the project are SDG 15, Life on Land, SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth, SDG 4, Quality Education, SDG 2, Zero Hunger, SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, and SDG 13, Climate Action. The project Promo Farm emphasizes on promoting personalized learning in classroom scenario while taking up improvement in farming ways and methods using Microsoft tools. It helps students develop cognitive, emotional, and compassionate empathy towards the needs of farmers. The United Nations declared the year 2020 as the International Year of Plant Health. Students will work towards devising ways and means to use Microsoft tools to improve farming practices, and this will help end hunger, protect and conserve the environment, reduce poverty, and definitely boost economic development in the world. Personalized learning approach works well both in remote learning and hybrid learning. The students are expected to be neoteric innovators and they come up with novel solutions using IT-based tools. I now move on to Leena ma'am, who will explain the objectives of the project.
Good evening, all of you. Our EduDays project named ProFarm for improving farming practices under the theme promoting personalized learning. The first is take up personalized learning through diversified learning strategies and personalized curriculum. Next is students actively construct knowledge and apply the knowledge acquired. And students establish the relation between personalized learning and skills and understand how it impacts learning. The next is raise future generations of empathetic, socially conscious problem solvers. And the main is to gain an in-depth understanding of the process of design thinking and apply technology in learning and establish a connection of the process across disciplines. Next is to give students a hands-on experience to solve local, global problems using design thinking methodology which has personalized learning as its a prime component. And the final, to foster 21st century skills in students, that is collaborating, communicating, critical thinking, creating and innovating. I am moving my mic to my colleague Shweta madam.
Thank you very much. The 21st century skill incorporated in the project are critical thinking, creativity, collaboration among the learners of various schools, communication, information literacy, media literacy, technology literacy, and flexibility with the help of personalized learning. The learning objectives of the project, Promo Farm, are to raise future generations who will recognize agriculture as an important economic activity. Through this project, students will become empathetic, social conscious, and problem solvers. Students will apply IT and design thinking in personalized learning and establishing a connection of the agriculture process across disciplines. To give students a hands-on experience to be sensitive towards the problems faced by the agriculture sector and suggest institutional reforms to solve the same, which has personalized learning as its prime component. Through this project, students will gain in-depth understanding of the process of agriculture and its different kinds. Using personalized learning, the students will be sensitized towards the problems faced by the farmers in the agriculture sector and also suggest institutional reforms to solve the problems. Moving ahead, Kajinder ma'am will enumerate the approaches used in the project.
Thanks. Various approaches used for the project are to enhance personalized learning. The main focus is on game-based learning. Students' approach is used with targeted instructions to meet the needs of individual learners. Data-driven instructional methodologies. Students work upon Minecraft, make their own, and understand the benchmark practices. Students work upon coding and AI. Students learn about integration and integrate their Promo Farm board with Microsoft Teams. The project helps impart students knowledge along with the flavor of coding and AI. Students empower each other, they collaborate, practice, think critically. Personalized learning activities are taken up that are relevant to the needs of the learners and driven their interests. Formative assessment forms and testing. Now, Manjula will tell us about the use of ICT in Promo. Thank you.
Yeah, Pratibha ma'am, next slide, please. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. We implemented this project in all 6 schools from different 4 states. We collaborated in Microsoft Teams and our students learned about improvising farming practices. All educators used different Microsoft tools for promoting personalized learning. So our students started this project with the research work and collected all important information by using the Bing search engine. We taught our students about immersive reader and their different options, which helped them in reading and understanding the concept in a better way. And after completing the research work, we had created a Sway presentation. Just have a look at the Sway presentation, just previous slide, ma'am. And the Sway link is also given in the PPT. We used Padlet also for the collaboration, where students from different schools shared their learning in the form of text, pictures, and videos. You may click on the given link to have a look of the Padlet. Yeah. So next, after that, our students discussed the importance of agriculture in the economy and different practices. So we used Flipgrid platform for the discussion. And the very shy kid in the class is able to speak, knowing that it's just them, the computer screen, and the teacher. So Flipgrid basically motivates our student to speak and express their views. You may check the responses in the given link. Next slide, please, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
Now, for enhancing the creativity, problem solving, self-direction, collaboration, and other life skills among students, we use Minecraft Education Edition, where they design basic farming methods of sustainable farming. Student design sustainable agriculture world through the visual presentation of their research project in Minecraft world and written description to support their understanding using writing tool in Minecraft Education Edition. In the end, we used game-based learning platform Kahoot for making learning fun and engaging. All school students played the Kahoot quiz created by Garima ma'am, and student engagement with Kahoot was very high. Students enjoy playing Kahoot because it's a visual and it's basically different from other quizzes. Due to the high student engagement, we were able to measure the understanding of the concept we covered during our project. So now it's time to know about the key learning outcome of our project. Over to Garima ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. As a team, we could see the learning outcomes among the students. Students evolved as IT enablers and social conscious problem solvers during the process of learning. Students were self-initiated towards learning, which enhanced their learning potential. Students learned the process of design thinking and applied personalized learning to establish a connection of the process across disciplines. In the process of learning, students enhance the 21st century skills, that is collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, and innovation, which help in developing their self-esteem and confidence. Students' reflection during the project promoted ownership of their learning, which helped to achieve the learning outcomes very well. Moving ahead, it would be worthwhile to highlight the impact of the solution of the project Promo Farm. Students were sensitized towards the problem faced by the agriculture sector and came up with excellent institutional reforms to solve the same. They independently used their learnings and felt empowered. They imbibed the value of collaboration and self-reliance. They also developed the skill of research work, and the most important, they developed respect for our farmers as a food producers. Thank you. I hope you found the project interesting and useful.